Hi everyone. So today we're working on a 20 by 20. Go big or go home, right? So I'm going to do just a ring pour, and we may end up having to do a ring within a ring so I have enough paint, but I can always put some on the corners and spread it out. So I'm going to start with a decent size cup because I want to make sure I have enough. For a canvas this size, I would normally use about 18 ounces of paint. So we'll see how that works out. That way I can get my sides covered and still have room to move. So I'm going to start with a little bit of white. I wasn't going to put white in here, but I really think we need it so I know where I'm at when I'm ringing. And we will follow that with our Parage Posse Sleeping Beauty Turquoise. And then we'll use our silver spoon. We'll keep these caps over here. So I'm doing a generous amount. Then we're going to use our Moody Blue shimmer. And all of these do have silicone, so we will get cells. Next is the PBO Iridescent Blue Black. That's a shifter. You can see, isn't it pretty? But it likes to shift that pretty blue. It's not the prettiest color when you're painting, but it dries beautiful. It's kind of a gray, mellow gray. So then we're going to add some black. And I'm going to do it again. Same thing. Just a little bit of white this time, though, to separate that, because I'll probably get gray. Back with the silver spoon. Moody Blue. Blue Black. PBO makes some great paints, guys. Their iridescent colors are just phenomenal. And some black. So hopefully we can have enough paint. All right. So we're just going to ring. There's my little bit of white. That tells me when to stop. All right, so I am going to put some black on the outside edges because I want to make sure I have enough paint. So I always have black paint without silicone. It's always mixed up and ready to go. So I'm just going to pour some around, and I'll use my palette knife to get it to those corners. So it's just a simple little spread and go. You don't have to come exactly to that, but you want to get close. Careful there. A little bit more. We're going to be tilting a lot of this black off, so, but it's there to keep the paint from folding over. All right, let's start stretching. It's my favorite part. I'm gonna torch a few bubbles out though. All right. That. So I always like to go around in a circle just to start opening things up. You can really see that blue-black. It looks so great, doesn't it? So I'm going to start touching those edges, because that also helps to open it up. And sometimes when you do this, you might see a spot and you'll be like, I like that, I'm going to leave it right there. And that happens with me a lot. Because I do like negative space. I'm loving that Sleeping Beauty turquoise opening up. So I'm going to keep turning so I can get these corners. And I'm going to add some here. Because I'm kind of liking this. Just want to balance it out. I love how the black is coming up through here. I really like it off center too. It's very hard for me to pour a big canvas in this tray. And I don't really have a good work area to film in where I can do bigger ones. Start painting outside as soon as the weather gets nice. We have pollen now, so that's not going to be fun. I noticed it outside today on my table. It's all green, yellow green. So I'm liking it there. Let me lift up that edge so you can see it without a glare. So I think I'm going to leave it right there. Let me give it a good torch and see if we can get something to come up through there. The white's going to continue to sink. It won't be as prominent. Definitely loving this here. I'm going to bring it up and show it to you. It's like little bubbles. kind of cute. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. I really like it. I like the negative space here. And it's all selling out and breaking into the black. So it'll be really pretty when it's dry. So I think that's going to be it for this one. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell for notifications. Click like, share, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And of course, like I said, this is all that PVO in silver. So it'll be beautiful when it's dry. Check out all my links below for Amazon, for paint pouring supplies. I do have this tray and that shop. And I also carry the stone coat there too if you guys are looking for the resin. We don't have codes anymore, but at least we still can get it through Amazon. One-stop shop, right? And join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. right here on the channel. Ellen and I do about 4 pours. We joke around, answer questions, make announcements. We have a good time. So if you're up for a good time and not just all serious art all the time, come hang out with us and meet some new people and join our group on Facebook, the Parage Posse with Christina Welch, and you can make some new friends there too. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.